Hi friends, educational services needs a very interactive website, and if you are in plan to make a website for online courses, university, college, school, training center or for other educational institutes, this video is for you. I am really happy to record this video as I got a very wonderful theme called EduBin for educational services websites, and this is going to be my 7th video on this channel in this category, and it is really a very great theme for the purpose of education and related services. EduBin education WordPress theme has been developed by Pixel Curve, and they are very good authors in the theme development, and the theme was developed in 2019 only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So this is being a new theme and just 1.5 year old, you can say, and this theme got wonderful number of sales. That means people are liking this, and the many website has been already having a proven and running history with this theme, and the theme has multiple demo and multiple feature and multiple plugin support with it. It comes with Twitter LMS, LearnDash, LearnPress, and it uses Elementor and WooCommerce and events, and it has multiple homepage demo website as well, so you can choose any. These are the demo websites, and you can choose any for your purpose as per your requirement and need, and all demo website has been designed very aesthetically and having a very clean and interactive look in itself. I am showing you the main demo of this EduBin theme. This is being the main demo, and I will also give the link of these demo in the description of this video, and I am just randomly showing you 2 of the demos. And we are going to install EduBin theme in this video. We will also import the demo content and preview the theme features along with the customization option available in EduBin LMS education WordPress theme. This is the demo website with EduBin WordPress theme, and it has all the features and capability to run a education website, and it has all the pages related to this: student registration, instructor registration, course grid variations. Courses are always main part of education website, so you can run online course with this theme. Either you can use this theme for university, colleges, educational institutes as well. So you can see the demo. It has very clear and stunning look, and I'll show you one of the course listing. This is the course listing page, and it shows all the important information in the grid view, and the right panel also helps you with the helping navigation links, and the topics and the chapters can be defined like this. And I'll also show you some other pages like a student registration. This is the student registration page, in which the basic registration form is here, and this is the another look of EduBin demo, and all demos has been created directly suitable for the educational institutions, so you don't have any reason not to choose this theme, and you'll get everything ready in this theme. And this theme also supports the WooCommerce, so you can use this theme for e-commerce activities, I mean selling books and all such things related to education. So let us begin the installation of Edubin WordPress theme. For this I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the 2021 default WordPress theme is installed, and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, manual data import files, the Edubin main theme file and the child theme file. To install Edubin theme, go to the theme section of WordPress installation, add new, upload theme, choose file. Here you need to choose edubin.zip file, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly on your hosting. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and the theme size is very low. I mean, it is a lightweight theme, and it will definitely work very fast on the website made with this theme. And both activities for uploading the theme is same. Either you can upload from the WordPress panel or you can upload directly on your server, so don't get confused. You have to do only one, either from here, either directly on the server. So just to show you the theme file size, I have opted the second option of upload, but you can upload the theme directly from the WordPress panel itself, and let the upload get complete, and it will not take much time in fact. And once the progress bar turns into green, we can go for extraction, and we have to extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Edubin folder, in which we got all the theme components, folders and files. Now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space now. Go to the WordPress theme section again. Now we have Edubin as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Edubin version 6.8.7 Edubin Education LMS WordPress theme. So this is a theme for learning management system. Activate it now. And upon activation, we got landed on the installation wizard page, and it is very wonderful that this theme uses guided installation wizard system. And click to see theme install, import, demo content, video guide. Okay, we don't need to see this. I am just showing you everything. Let us go for the installation wizard, and these are the plugin set which is required for running this theme, and all plugins are mentioned here, and installation is required. It is clearly written over here, so we can go for installation. Just click on continue, and the plugin installation has begun, and one by one plugin is being installed. So the screen is saying everything. You have nothing to do additionally here. And the Envato market is even failed. It doesn't matter, that is not actually required. And the installation wizard is showing that the LearnPress is also failed. Not a problem, we will handle it. And wait until the all plugins get installed and Tutor LMS has been installed. WooCommerce is being installed now. Okay, so it is saying that Envato Market plugin has to be installed, so we have to return here and we can try again. And now it is installed. Now all plugins has been installed and I'm just reading the text what it is saying, and nothing is hidden in my videos, so everything is on your screen how installation goes. Okay, so we can continue now. Okay, so much changes has to be done from theme option, it is saying, and to make changes theme code. Okay, fine. To change sidebars, appearance, widgets and LMS option. Okay, fine. Variations. Okay, fine, we can continue here. Team support is fine. Item support not included. Agree and continue. Now it comes to the stage of importing a demo data. Meanwhile, we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugins. I'll show you the basic view of this theme without any demo content. This is the basic look of Adobe WordPress theme, and no content is here as of now. So at this stage we definitely need to install our demo content so that we may get the website ready for putting the original data available with us. And at next step we have to import dummy data, so click on import dummy data. And this theme uses one-click demo import. So, and here are the options available for ready-made websites. So home version 1 to 6 is here. It is LearnPress. Okay, and this is tutor. Okay, so let's check the LearnPress plugin, whether the LearnPress plugin has been installed or not, because it was failed during our installation process. LearnPress is here, so not a worry, that was a false message. And Adobe Core is here, Elementor is here, Envato Market is here, LearnPress course review, Loco Translate, one-click demo import, and everything is here which is required. So Now we can go for the LearnPress demo. That will not bring any error as I assume, because LearnPress is already installed and Tutor LMS is also here. So you can choose any of the demo website as per your requirement, as per your need. Even you can choose kindergarten schools, kids school, and if you are using RTL is also available, and Tutor LMS and all these things are also here, LearnDash. And now I am choosing the first one, and you can choose any LearnPress, Tutor, LearnDash or Kids School or RTL, whatever is required to you. I am choosing the first one, that is the LearnPress demo, and it will bring 1 to 6 home page. Okay, fine. So I'm just clicking on import, and it is saying don't activate more than one LMS plugin in the same site by importing. Okay, fine. LMS plugin is, it is saying that we have not to keep active more than one LMS plugin, and since we are going to use the LearnPress, so we have to deactivate all the rest of. So Tutor LMS should be deactivated because we are not going to use this in this demo. In case you chosen the Tutor LMS layout, you just keep it activated and deactivate the LearnPress, and rest plugins are fine. LearnPress, okay, fine. So LearnPress is here. Now we are good to go for the demo import of LearnPress, and I'm just clicking on yes, import, and the import process has been started. Now it will take a bit time because it is going to import multiple media files and all necessary files. So we have to be here. Don't try to leave or refresh this page. It is a necessary activity, and just in case you get an error, the screen returns an error, check your core server web vitals, either it is compatible to import all the demo content or not. So you need to check the site health section of the tools in the WordPress, and if you are going to take the hosting plan with the WP themes, I will definitely give the link of my website where you can get this theme and the hosting plan as well. You will be getting a comfortable server which can be compatible for this uses, and you rest assured for this you'll get a WordPress optimized hosting there. So we have to wait and let the process to be completed. And just in case you get multiple errors, you can even switch to manual import, and you have seen that the theme pack has manual import files as well. So only WP forms data is here, and this folder is also empty, so I don't think the manual import would be possible. Anyway, so we have chosen an automated demo, so let it be done. You will reach on this screen, that is all done, and once the demo import got successfully complete its task, we can even deactivate the one-click demo import plugin, and because it has done its job. And now we can check our website how it looks, and this is the website. Let us see what comes. Wonderful. and I assume something good is loading up. And yes, we have done it. It was simple and effective. We have a complete website for putting the original content, and the installation process got successful, and the complete website is here without any failure, without any obstacle. We have done it, and you can see the speed now. It is really fast and lightning speed. And however, I am not using any cache plugin as of now, and you can see the speed. It is really very fast. So you are going to get a fast loading website, which is imperative to say. And if you have a fast loading website, it is going to be successful, no doubt. And you can see the standard of design. It is really wonderful, and you don't have any reason to not to choose this theme for your education website. And you have all the features available. And now since we have completed the installation, I'll show you the WordPress panel, what we got additional in the installation. And after that, I'll show you the basic customizations options of pages, how you can update the content and all such things. Let us check. So LearnPress is additional, and you can manage courses from LearnPress. And these are the courses. You can add courses, course category, tags, and I'll show you any of the course listing, what fields are there for listing a course. This is the course listing interface, and you can add curriculum here. The general settings is here, multiple options are here, assignments, pricing, review logs, and author. And course feature can be added from here. And the page options are also here. So page heading and header image, you can choose separate header image for pages or courses. So all things is under your control, and you can create lessons, quizzes, questions, orders, statistics, add-on, and setting is also here. So LearnPress setting also allows you to set multiple things like the currency, and that is available in most of the available currency. Let us just check the rupee, INDIA, Indian rupee is also here. So in the Indian context, it is very necessary thing, and definitely for all countries and currency it is important factor. So logout redirect is also here. It is also a necessary thing. So all LearnPress setting can be done from here, and some tools are also here, and templates. So templates is fine, and database, courses, cache. So you can handle the templates from here, and you can override the templates, and also things are here. So Edubin theme options, I will show you Edubin theme options. and this is the it is going to the WordPress customizer, and it has some additional things. So these are the settings available in the theme options. This is general setting, so name and logo, okay. Colors, you can handle colors, primary color, secondary, header, top text, and all these things. Social share, preloader, back on top, breadcrumbs, typography, background image, and even RTL. Header can be handled from here. Learn Plus as LMS, archive page, single page, course feature, and utilities. Blog, menus, widgets, homepage settings, events, event calendar, WooCommerce footer, and additional CSS is here. So you can definitely control your complete website from these options. And now we shall check the another options. So demo import we have already seen, and setup wizard we already used. Posts are here, events can be controlled here. So event I don't think it is required to show you, but I'll just show you the interface. These are the events, you can add or remove events here, and add new is here. The event tags, organizers, settings, and all such things are here. Student registration, so form setting, registrations, so email setting is here. Media and rest of things are common things as in WordPress. So all control is here. You can control your website easily without any obstacle. You can complete your task, and it is very easy to handle, and even a non-technical person can make this website wonderful. And it is on the developer website. I'll show you ours, and this is our website. Now I'm going to show you the page editing option, and this theme uses Elementor. That is very easy to use, and of course you might be knowing how to edit with the Elementor. Whatever page you need to edit, just open and click on edit with Elementor, and now all the elements are here. So you can choose simply to edit, just click on pencil icon and you can edit the text here, and you can change the icons. So programs icons and all such icons are here. So it is very simple to handle, and you do not need any technical specific knowledge for this, and just a computer savvy person can do all such things, and you did not need to hire any very professional designer for all such activity. Just practice and you can do this. And if you are doing at the first time, I will recommend you to save a template first before editing any page, and you can, so that you may take a backup of this page, and this can be helpful in just in case you made any error. You can restore the page, and everything is fine with this theme, and I assume you will not get any trouble in this. And just in case you face any problem, difficulty, you can definitely get in touch with me. I'm going to give the link of my website where you can interact with me directly, and even you can write your concern in the comment section of this video, and I'll definitely try to help you out for your any queries. So it is wonderful that we have successfully completed our goal in this video, and I'm sure you have subscribed this channel, and if not, please subscribe and ring the bell I'm going to bring wonderful themes, plugins and utilities for you. Keep watching. Thank you.